What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing the window regulator slash motor for this 2006 Nissan Frontier. This is the right passenger side, front side window or door. So I'm going to be replacing the window regulator slash motor. First step is to remove the plastic piece here. And careful not to break the clips. Second step to remove that, and what you need to do is just press up on it from the back like that. After removing those two pieces, there's going to be 3 bolts to remove. This, and that. I think these are 10mm. After removing the 3 bolts here, the next step is to remove the door panel. And I think the easiest way to do that is to, there's a notch here that you can use a tool if you want to pry it open, or you can use your hands and fingers to pull it open. Make sure you disconnect the power for the switch. And also don't forget to remove the switch from the door panel. We're gonna need this to raise and lower the window. After removing the door panel, we're gonna have to remove the 3 bolts here for this metal piece. After removing the metal bracket here, now we're going to have to remove the protective liner. Just go slow and steady. After removing the 2 bolts here, we're going to reconnect the switch and raise the window all the way up. After raising the window all the way up, I'll put 3 pieces of tape on both sides so the window doesn't drop. There's going to be 7 bolts to remove after raising the window. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are for the regulator, and the 3 here is for the motor. After removing the 4 bolts, or the 7 bolts, not 4, don't forget to disconnect the wire here. The next step after that is to remove the window motor. And there's 2 clips here that you need to lift it up to remove it. This is the new window motor regulator, and this is the old one. Bought the new one on Amazon, but you can also find it at any auto parts store. So this is the two holes that I was talking about at the bottom and at the top. This is the top section, and this is the bottom. Now I'm going to put the 4 bolts back on at the top and the bottom here. Put the 3 bolts back on here for the motor. I'll reconnect the switch and lower the regulator all the way here, down here, where you can see the 2 holes for the 2 bolts that we need to put back on. Also, don't forget to reconnect the power to the motor here. That I have lowered the regulator all the way here where you can see it for the bolts to put back on. We carefully, by hand, drop the window all the way down to here. Careful not to let the window go all the way, hit the bottom and break. Hold the window down or hold it up with both hands so that way it doesn't drop. Get it all the way down to where you can line up the holes here to put the bolts back on. Now it's time to put the lining back on. Put all the rest of the items back. Make sure the window is working fine. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next video.